Around here, we take classic cars and turn them into some of the finest hot rods on the planet. Every project we dive into turns into something truly special. We go all out in restoring and customizing. Attention to detail? Well, that's where we shine. I've spent my entire career perfecting just the right blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. Each car we work on is a unique piece of history. I'm Roy Roberts, and I've poured my heart and soul into the world of hot rods and customization. But sometimes we just like to have fun. We gotta test it. Here we go.
Your dog, baby. I love this job.
What's wrong with your truck?
I think Roy broke it. When the guys ain't getting the job done around here, they call in the dog.
Hey, boy, what do you think about the new project? Sweet, huh?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Welcome to a place where creativity meets raw power. Welcome to Red River Custom.